Hey, it's Sean with Summit Racing Equipment. I'm here with Steve. Steve works with the Summit Racing brand products. We're here today in the huge Summit Racing retail store to talk about something rather small. This is a brand new item. It's the universal electronic fuel pump from Summit Racing. Steve, tell us a little bit about these.
These are used in a variety of applications. They're pretty dependable. They use a solid state motor for quiet operation and reliability. We have 3 models available. We got 2 for gasoline here, lower pressure, a little higher pressure, and then we got the one here for the diesel guys.
Right, so we were talking earlier, fuel pumps have been around for a long time.
Yep.
And they've always been kind of a high flow rating and everything, but the trend over the last less than 10 years, let's call it, has been some of these smaller models. What's the advantage of this versus some of the more expensive units?
A lot of it comes down to cost. What you want to spend for one. If you want a big name or something like that, you'd probably be double the price as one of these. They work well, they're reliable, they're compact, and easy to mount up.
Right, so if I have, obviously my drag racing car, my car down at the strip every weekend, I might want something with a little bit higher of a flow rating. But if I'm just going to some car shows, if I want a universal application, if I'm just driving around on the street enjoying my car, this might be the exact point for me.
Yeah, if it's not your drag car and it's a street car, you're going to keep up with it. It's not going to be anything that's going to be, it'd be fine for it.
Sure, so let's talk about flow ratings. What do these offer?
Okay, the low pressure here operates at 2 to 3.5 psi and flows 42 gallons per hour. Okay, then we have the little bit higher pressure here. It runs at 4 to 7 psi and goes at 35 gallons per hour. Okay, and then the diesel one is 4 to 7 psi also, and also runs at 35 gallons per hour. So
Great.
It should be enough to keep up with most things.
So what else do these come with?
These come with, okay, you're going to get the pump, of course, right here with the wiring. It's going to have the instructions in here. You also get a fuel filter that screws into the side of it with 5/16 barb, and it also comes with bolts for the mounting for the 2 holes here.
Right.
Now the fuel filter for the diesel is 100 micron, and the 2 gasolines are 40 micron.
So you got a fuel filter with it already. Do you guys recommend anything else if you're using one of these fuel pumps?
Absolutely. You should still have a filter in between the fuel pump and the carburetor.
Great. Yep. So great for automotive applications, obviously.
Yep.
Some people use them just as a transfer pump.
Yes, they work well as a transfer pump. You see them in a lot of applications. Find them all over the place.
Sure. It's a Summit Racing brand product, so the quality is there. It's a great product. It's brand new for us, and the price point,
Can't beat it.
right. Okay, check these out. SummitRacing.com. You can find all 3 fuel pumps.